Making curtains animation effect in Microsoft PowerPoint. This way and this way. We will also change the curtains color easily. So if you want to be an expert in Microsoft PowerPoint, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Let me insert a new slide. Go to new slide, click on blank slide and drag it here and keep it here. Then I have to insert a shape. Go to shapes, click on rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. And go to shape fill, make it this fill. Go to shape outline, make it no outline. Click on this slide, go to transition, click on curtains. This is good. You can easily change the shape color from here. Shape fill this color, and if you want to watch the slideshow, the curtain color has been changed. So actually this is our curtains. Then I have to click on this slide, click on new slide and move it over here. Go to insert, go to picture. You can insert a picture from your computer or you can easily search from online picture. Search curtains. You can easily insert a curtains from here. Let me insert this curtains. Click on insert and place it like this. Click on picture format, click on crop and let me crop the picture. Click on crop, then go to this slide, go to transition, click on curtains. And if we want to watch the slideshow from the beginning, click on this slide, click on slideshow. This is my first curtain, whose color I can easily change. And this is my second curtain, which is downloaded from website and easily can be inserted from computer. Hope the video is helpful to you. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to share. Thank you.